How is it going everybody? Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Well, we all have WhatsApp in our phones and it's one of the most preferred way when it comes to communicating with our friends or family. With that being said, in today's video, I will be showing you some amazing new hidden features that has been recently added in WhatsApp. And I will also be showing you some really useful tips and tricks that will definitely enhance your WhatsApp experience. With that said, stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for 1000 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. First, let's talk about a couple of new features that has been added in WhatsApp beta. If you are a beta user, then just go to the Play Store and make sure you have updated the WhatsApp application. Now the first feature that I want to talk about is the message reaction. Let's say if you really want to react to a message that was sent by your friend, now you can easily do that. All you have to do is just press and hold on that particular message, and here you get different set of emojis to give your reaction. WhatsApp started rolling out this feature, and if you want to check whether you have got this feature or not, you can go to the WhatsApp settings, then select notifications, and here if you are able to see something called as reaction notifications, then you have already got this feature. Did you know you can now hide your last seen or even your profile picture for a specific contact? Let's say if I want to hide my profile picture and I don't want this person to see my online status, I can easily do that just by going inside account, privacy, select profile photo and click on this option that says my contacts except. Now I simply need to select his number. That's it. Similarly, I can also hide my last seen, about section and even status. Previously this feature was not available in WhatsApp and you have to install a third-party application just to get this feature, but now you don't have to do any such things. Guys, before I move on, if you love watching these kind of videos, then please do support this channel. We are very close to 200k subscribers, so if you haven't already, then hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. It would mean a lot to me. Whenever you send a message in WhatsApp, it will show as a notification on the receiver phone and anyone else can read your message. But what if you are chatting with your girlfriend or someone special and you don't want anybody else to read that message which you have sent? In such situations, you can make use of this amazing application called WhatsApp. It is absolutely free and I will make sure to drop a direct link in the description below. Once you have installed the app, simply open it and in the first line, you can type anything as a spoiler. Basically, this line will show as a notification on the receiver's phone. And below you just have to type your actual message. Once done, simply click on this option called copy to clipboard. Then go to WhatsApp, paste your message and send it. Now when the other person receives your message, it will show as a secret message in their notification panel, and to read the entire message which you have sent, they have to click on read more. I think it's a great way of sending spoilers to your WhatsApp contacts. If you are really annoyed getting too many WhatsApp calls and looking for a way to get rid of those annoying calls in WhatsApp, then there is an application called WhatsApp Block that helps you to block those unwanted calls from your friends or unknown numbers. Once you open up the app and allow all the required permissions, you can choose whether you want to block calls for a specific number or you can select for all your contacts, and even you can block calls just for unknown numbers. Once you have set up the app and block calls for a particular number, now whenever he tries to call you, that call will get rejected automatically and he will never be able to call you in WhatsApp. I think this app is extremely useful, and by using this app, you can easily get rid of those annoying calls in WhatsApp. It works for both voice and video calls as well. If you are a person who prefers sending a lot of pictures to your friends in WhatsApp, then instead of sending it as a document just to retain its original quality, what you can do is just go to settings, storage and data. Here you will have this option called photos upload quality. It will be set as auto. Simply change it to best quality. You will be able to send high quality photos in WhatsApp. So that's it for this video. These are some amazing tips, tricks and hidden features that will definitely enhance your WhatsApp experience. Do let me know in the comment section which is your favorite feature, and if you guys like this video then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.